Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So today I'm going to introduce about this machine. This is a horizontal lathe that we use for machining the shaft for the vertical roller mills, also the shaft for the rotary kilns. So inside our grinding roller for the vertical roller mill, this shaft is installed in the middle. And then outside this shaft, we will have the wheel hub and then the bearing and then the tire. And then for our rotary kiln, we have this shaft inside the grinding rollers to allow the grinding rollers to rotate. So this is a forged shaft, as you can see. After this being forged, we put this forged shaft on this horizontal lathe to machine the surface. And we also use this equipment to machining the shaft for the high pressure grinding roller. So thank you guys. In our next video, I will introduce about our other equipment.